他以那个无缘由的恩慈哈，他就派遣一些人到这里来。
You should know that Supreme Lord has transcendental, very beautiful form.
我们应该知道呢，那个至尊主呢有一个非常漂亮的那个超人的形象。
He is the embodiment of love and affection.
他其实是爱跟感情的化身。
So, being part and parcel of Supreme Lord, our transcendental form also made up of happiness.
所以呢，作为至尊主的一个部分呢，所以我们的超人的那个形象也是用那个快乐来创造的。
And when we will realize our transcendental form, we can serve, and our birth and death will be stopped forever, and we will serve transcendental Godhead.
所以呢，当我们觉悟到我们超人的形象以后呢，我们就可以呢用那个形象去服务神，然后呢，这个无尽的生死就不会再有了。然后呢，我们
He is supreme powerful.
他是最有无量最有力量的。
In a moment, he can demolish whole universe and create millions of universes in a moment.
就是他可以一刻之间呢，就可以呢毁灭很多宇宙，也可以在一刻之间呢创造很多宇宙。
Sometimes he descends in this world, and sometimes he sends his own representative in this world. They are called Guru or Acharya, and they preach this mission that you are not this body, you are part and parcel and eternal servant of Krishna, Supreme Lord.
有时候呢，他会自己亲自来这个世界，或者是呢派遣一些灵性导师，或者是身教的灵性导师，以身作则的那种灵性导师呢，到这里来了，传播我们不是这个身体，我们是至尊子的一个部分，还有我们是至尊主的仆人，这是讯息。
A question arises whether we can see Supreme Lord or not.
现在问题来了哈，我们能不能看到那个至尊主呢
we can see him. There is a process.
其实我们可以的，不过要通过一些程序。
And that is called Bhakti Yoga.
这个叫什么呢？就是风爱瑜伽 （Bhakti Yoga）。
Bhakti Yoga is nothing but love and affection.
风爱瑜伽呢，就是很简单，只是爱跟感情。
Only one religion in the whole world is there, love and affection. Whole world, whole entity, living entity is one, and that is love and affection.
全世界的宗教就是什么呢？就是唯一一个宗教，就是爱跟感情的。
By love and affection, Supreme Lord can be seen.
所以通过呢爱跟感情呢，我们就可以看到至尊主了。
And by this, your endless pain of endless birth and death will be stopped forever.
通过这样的话呢，我们所无尽的痛苦呢，就会立刻就没有了。
And Krishna Prem, God Prem, you will realize.
那我们就可以觉悟得到对神的那种纯粹的爱。
We know that by Bhakti Yoga we can see transcendental form of Supreme Lord.
我们就知道了通过那个风爱瑜伽呢，我就可以看得到至尊主的那种超然的形象。
Very easy process.
这里
very easy process.
这个是很容易的程序。
That process is that Supreme Lord is causeless, merciful.
这个容易的程序就是呢，至尊主的就是无尽的那个仁慈。
And he has invested his whole power, whole mercy, whole qualities in his name, that by chanting name, any kind one have love and affection for Krishna, and Krishna will be seen.
他把所有他的能量都关注在他的圣名里面啊，通过我们念诵那个圣名呢，就可以呢，我们得到发展到对神的爱，然后呢，我们就可以看到至尊主。
Oh, I have told you that Supreme Lord has transcendental form and qualities.
我已经告诉过你的哈，至尊主呢有一个超人的形象，还有呢品质。
Some may tell that God is shapeless, no quality.
有一些人说呢，神是无形象的
and he cannot be seen.
还有没有品质的。
But it is not true.
还有看到不到的，不过这个不是真的。
He is so beautiful.
它是非常美丽的。
You see in this world various kinds of human, very beautiful.
我们都看到这个世界之上哈，各种不同的人，他们都可以很漂亮。
So many kinds of animal.
很多种的动物。
So many kinds of birds and so many things.
很多鸟啊，很多种的鸟啊，很多其他的生物。
From where they have come?
他们从何而来呢？
Because he has very beautiful form.
因为他有一个非常美丽的形象神。
In Bible it has been written, God created man after his own image.
这圣经有说了哈，神在人类是按照神的形象而创造的。
In Quran also it has been told that God has created man after his own image. Inna Allah khalaqa man surat he, means he has created like him, so he has very transcendental beautiful form.
可兰经哈，伊斯兰教的那个经典呢，也说了，人类是按照他的形象而创造的，所以呢，他有一个超然的非常美丽的形象。
So, by this Bhakti Yoga, we can attain love and affection, and by this affection, we can see the transcendental form of Krishna, deity of, and he is the embodiment of love and affection. We can realize.
所以通过这个程序呢，我们就可以得到了神的一种爱了，然后呢，我们就可以看到神超人的形象。
Any question?
有没有问题呢？